Anke here with a main kit only layout and process video. For my layout I'm going to use the main and cardstock kit, and I was also challenged to show a clever way to use the Crate Paper All Hard selfie paper, which is this one here, and the puffy frames. These are the photos for my layout. The frames are a bit too small, and first I thought I should cut off the rest of the photos, but then I decided to leave it this way. I fussy cut some peaches and strawberries, which are used with the stickers and die cuts from the kits to embellish my layout. The selfie paper in size and tear off the bottom part to get a distressed edge. This will be the background of my layout. Then I take the leftover piece and cut out some of the frames which are on the back side. Take the photos, the fussy cut elements and the die cuts and try to find the best arrangement. So I like how this turned out, and I think I can adhere everything now. the exclusive fabric bows which are included in the May main kit, and this one here has the perfect color for my layout. For the title I combine the crepe paper all heart phrase stickers and the Hippie Club exclusive puffy alphabet stickers. The white cardstock at the bottom and top of the page and back it with the orange Pink Paisley Horizon number 5 paper. To give the layout the final touch, I add some black and yellow color splatters. So here's my finished layout, and I hope you enjoyed watching the video. Thanks for joining me today.